Wish you a very good morning. Thanks for your time. It is a pleasure to meet you. Good morning, please sit down. Could you let us know more about Crayon software? Crayon is a global leader in IT and digital transformation services. We have the largest independent cloud economics practice. We strongly believe organizations must pay for the IT resources they use. Our headquarters is based out of Oslo, Norway, with offices around the world. We have a global footprint, with operations in more than 24 countries and over 1,400 employees worldwide. We are born in the cloud company. We have over 15 years of expertise in software asset management. Why should we go with Crayon? Great question. I can share multiple reasons. We provide the strongest, robust and most intelligent cloud platform to the popular hyperscalers in the globe. We have set up the ISV Incubation Center. Here we work with over 100 ISVs across industries and help them with the most attractive option on the cloud. We have the expertise to carry out GDPR assessments for our customers. We optimize our customers' digital IT spends by leveraging our software and cloud analytic experts. This has helped customers save significant amount of money by optimizing their cloud infrastructures. You can have a wide choice of principal solution providers, cloud providers and software vendors. We have nationwide reach and network of over 600 partners. Our intelligent cloud platform, Cloud IQ, helps you with your IT lifecycle management, which will give you more control and visibility. We are known for cloud enablement and cost saving through our best practices in software and cloud advisory services. A team of expert software and cloud engineers help you manage your infrastructure and protect your investments. Thanks. Help us with the path-breaking services. Software and cloud analytics, advisory and consulting services, managed services for your IT infrastructure, cloud monitoring services, volume licensing optimization and management. This is interesting. Why should we evaluate Crayon? How is Crayon different from competition? We help CISOs implement the entire digital 360-degree initiatives. We support business needs on new technologies like big data, AI, ML with solution strategy and design, migration to cloud, and the necessary managed services. We also align to the entire compliance and governance model that help optimize and save costs. With over 400 technical certifications globally, Crayon provides comprehensive expertise across all the main technology partners based on a complete understanding of your IT estate. Additionally, Crayon is a Microsoft large account reseller, cloud solution provider for Microsoft, VMware, Red Hat, Citrix, AWS and Veeam, and amongst the top 3 global subscription-based license reseller, also known as SPLA. Okay, how have you fared in India? For over 5 years, Crayon India has been providing trusted and expert consulting solutions to clients. We provide strategic advice around purchasing, deployment, and managed services of IT infrastructure, cloud migration solutions, and drives the relevant deployment projects to ensure an optimum return on significant IT investments. With a broad range of managed and subscription services, Crayon will simplify your digital transition and will support your business. What will be your step-by-step approach for us? It starts with advisory, infrastructure assessment, proof of concept, migration, monitoring and support services. Do you have associations with software publishers? Your choice is our choice. Crayon has comprehensive and strategic relationships with all leading global software technology publishers in India as well as globally. What's your presence in India? We are headquartered in Mumbai and have presence in all major cities of India. Thanks for the detailed overview. We would love to get in touch with you on our current and upcoming projects. Thanks for your time. Give us an opportunity to simplify your digital transformation journey through our software and cloud analytics approach. If you have any queries, feel free to write to us at marketing.in@crayon.com and we will be more than happy to assist you.